In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play anime champions in Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to find and join the anime champions experience in Roblox. You will be able to do this on PC, mobile, or even consoles. All that you have to do is use the search function here and look for anime champions. Because it is a very popular experience, immediately upon searching for anime champions, you should see this one pop up. You can confirm that it is the best one by checking if it is made by Bura ACS and by the fact that it has more than 200 million visits. You will be able to see the images. You can see a lot of anime champions here, a lot of heroes, and all that you have to do to play this is to go ahead and click to join. Immediately upon joining the experience, you will have to go through the loading screen and you will be able to see how this works and how you can select these heroes or champions. As you can see, we just have to follow the instructions by the bot here. You will be able to walk around as usual, complete the objectives, and so on. I myself don't play a lot of this, so I won't be able to show you too much gameplay and what you have to do. But the game is going to teach you how to play so you don't have to worry. I'm just going to focus here on killing these enemies, and I'm going to show you how this works. As you can see, we are able to command the champions around here, and we will be able to clear the area. You can explore other things here on the left and right. As you can see, they have a shop. You can see all the champions that you have on you, the quests, which currently we have to do this tutorial, and there's a lot of stuff to complete. When you complete each of these missions, you will get more champions to join you, and you can command them to attack different enemies. It's a super well-made game, and like I said, you can join right now on any platform, PC, consoles, mobile, etc. I hope I was able to help you on how to use and how to play anime champions in Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.